You can count on me like 1, 2, 3, I'll be there. And I know when I need it, I can count on you like 4.
All right, go ahead and take your math paper out. Your math book. We're on page 97, which looks like this. Okay? All right. Your first question there is to circle the clock that says 9:45. 9:45. So for those of you who have forgotten or are still having trouble with it, let's take a look at our clock here. What time is it? It's 9 o'clock. Son las 9. What time is that? 9:15. 9:15. What time is that? 9:30. 9:30. 9:30. What time is that? That's 9:45. 9:45. Some people think it was 10:45. It's not. It's 9:45. Because the small hand is between the 10 and the 9. So we go to the one that passed. Okay? To the one that is antes. Okay? So, which one of these clocks says 9:45? Circle the answer. Shouldn't be too hard. I'm giving it to you right here, aren't I? Yeah. Circle the answer. Okay. Next, there are some sumas. You know how to do these? Go ahead and do the sumas. All right. Next, we have some pictures. We have a piñata, we have a burro, a donkey, and we have an árbol, a tree. Somebody asked me once, Mr. Matt, what's the English word for piñata? And the answer is the English word is piñata. Piñata is a Spanish word. There is no English word for piñata. So, which one of these do you think is 2 feet tall? Remember, this is a foot. Your regla is a foot, es un pie. 12 pulgares, un pie. So which one of those do you think is 2 feet tall? 2 pies alto. Well, the tree could be 2 feet tall, but that would be a very small tree, wouldn't it? This looks like a big tree. So, no, it's not going to be the tree. I'm going to be the árbol. The burro would be a very small burro, wouldn't it? Yes, it would be. Even you're bigger than 2 feet. Imagine how small that burro would look. So the answer is the piñata. The piñata is 2 feet tall. The piñata tiene 2 pies. 2 pies alto. Okay. Now we have some money. It's been a while since we've done money. Centavos and dólares. Remember, the dimes are 10 cents, 10 centavos. The nickels are 5 cents, 5 centavos. And the pennies are 1 cent, 1 centavo. And over here we have 10s, 5s, and 1s. So go ahead and figure out how much money we have. Okay? Next we have some sombreros. Put the number that is missing from these sumas and restas in the sombrero. So this one here, what plus 3 is 7? ¿Qué más 3 son 7? Okay, and then do the same thing for these two. Go ahead. Okay, and then this here is a question. That question is, what's 12 minus 4? 12 menos 4. All right, turn the page over, and we see they didn't give us one new thing to do. Today they gave us 2 new things to do. So that was very nice of them, wasn't it? Especially since we had that super long math lesson the other day. All right. Take a look at this, okay? How many inches are in a foot? ¿Cuántos pulgares en un pie? Well, if you look at your regla, your ruler, it'll say 12. So how many inches are in 2 feet? We have 12 plus 12, 24. How many inches in 3 feet? How many inches in 4 feet? How many inches in 5 feet? Well, that's a lot to count, isn't it? That's why they gave us this handy little chart here. This tells you how many inches in 1 foot. ¿Cuántos pulgares en un pie? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. That's how many inches in 2 feet. In dos pies. Keep going. 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. That's how many inches in 3 feet. 36. Now, if you were here in the room, I would measure you. I would see how many feet and how many inches you were. ¿Cuántos pies y cuántos pulgadas usted tiene? Or tú tienes. But you're not here. So, we're just going to have to use our imaginations, aren't we? I wonder if I can get Miss Susan in here and measure her. No, she's busy. Too bad. Well, let's take a look at this first question here. It says, Carlos is 50 inches tall. Carlos tiene 50 pulgadas. So, how many pies in pulgadas does he have? Well, let's see. Where's 50 on this? 50, 50. There it is. 50. Now, the closest thing to 50 is this here. Right? It's just 2 over 4 feet, over 4 pies. So that means that Carlos is 4 feet and 2 inches tall. Él tiene 4 pies y 2 pulgadas. Alto. Está 4 pies y 2 pulgadas alto. See that? Because the 50 is just 2 past the 4 feet. So he's 4 feet and 2 inches tall. See that works? Maria is 45 inches tall. So where's 45? There it is. 45. Well, we've passed 3 feet, 3 pies. So let's count up to 45. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. She is 3 feet and 9 inches tall. Él tiene 3 pies y 9 pulgadas. Their dog, Chico, is 14 inches tall. Where's 14? There it is. It's 2 past 1 foot. So he is 1 foot, un pie, y 2 pulgadas. 1 foot, 2 inches tall. Do you see how that works? Again, this would be a lot easier to show you if I was in class. I, personally, am 6 feet, 3 inches tall. 6 pies y 3 pulgadas. That puts me 2 inches taller than Mr. Mark. Yeah, I'm a big boy. Okay. So we'll have more of that later on. If you're confused about it now, don't worry. It's not going to be in your test. Next we have summas with 3 numbers. We've had summas with 2 numbers. Now we have summas with 3 numbers. And the good news, it's just the same as summas with 1 or 2 numbers. We start over on this side with the 1s because we always start on this side. 2 plus 5, 2 más 5, 7. 7 más 1, 7 plus 1, 8. 3 plus 2, 5. 587. 587. Okay? See how that works? All right, see if you can do the rest by yourself. Go ahead. It's not hard. Just use your brain. If you don't have your brain with you, you can stop the video and go find it again. Okay. And next, we have some questions. It says, Maria went to the market for her mother. Maria va a la pulpería por su madre. She bought 3 avocados, 2 mangoes, and 6 tortillas. Ella compra 3 aguacates, 2 mangos y 6 tortillas. ¿Cuántos ella compra en total? 3 plus 2 plus 6. 3 más 2 más 6. ¿Son qué? 3 plus 2 plus 6. 3 más 2 más 6 son 11. She bought 11 things from the pulperia. Right? Okay. Carlos and Maria have three papaya trees and 5 pine trees. 3 papayas y 5 pinos. So árboles de papaya y árboles de pino. What's 3 plus 5? 3 más 5. 3 más 5 son 8. 3 plus 5 is 8, right? Right. Okay. Is your brain tired yet? Mine is. I've been doing this for a while. So how about if we stop this and go on to our English class?